Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so they want us to consider butane, right? 4-carbon chain, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, and carbon 4. And they want us to look down the carbon 2, carbon 3 bond, right? So pretend we're looking down that bond. Well, recall that there's a hydrogen here coming towards us and a hydrogen going away from us. And similarly, on carbon 3, there's a hydrogen coming towards us and a hydrogen going away from us, right? So what we're going to end up drawing is for our frontmost carbon, this methyl group will appear to be going straight down. Okay, then we're going to have a hydrogen up and to the right and a hydrogen up and to the left. Okay, that's our front carbon. That's carbon 2. In the back, on carbon 3, we're going to see a methyl group pointing straight up from that point of view. And we're going to see a hydrogen down to the right and a hydrogen down to the left. This is the one on the right, and this is the one on the left. Okay? Now, the lowest energy conformer is the one in which the methyl groups are as far from each other as possible. So as drawn, this already is the lowest energy conformer. If we had instead drawn this and then looked down the bond, for example, we'd have something like all these, everything bumping into each other, right? And this would be higher energy. This, where the methyl groups are far from each other, is the lowest energy conformer. There are other conformers that are in between these two energies as well. If, for example, instead of putting hydrogen here, we put hydrogen here, oops, and methyl here, then all of a sudden we'd end up with something that looks like this, right? And now the methyl groups are close to each other. They're not overlapping, but they're close to each other, and that would be higher energy, right? So that's not what we want. We want this.